Okay, let's make sure that we understand the assignments that we have to do. All right. You've already seen I've already shown you and created a video in which we eliminate unnecessary words, make our words and our sentences stronger. All right, so we've done all of that. Now let's take a look. All right, your individual follow-up assignment, part 1. There are 2 parts to the assignment. Read page 5. It's not really a page. Read section 5.15, brainstorming, solving a problem on on campus, on pages 183 and 184 in your textbook. After you read the session, each member of the team will type the campus problem in wiki number 7 that you want to see addressed. So this is not a team assignment. This is an individual assignment, but you're using a wiki. So everyone in wiki number 7 will type the campus problem that you want to see addressed. That's all you're doing. Is it could be parking, it could be the cafeteria, it could be anything. All right, you're just writing a sentence. The problem that I see on campus that should be resolved is parking. Okay, so we understand that, and that's in wiki number 7. You're not choosing the best. You're just typing what you see as the problem in wiki number 7 that the campus Hostos Community College should address. This has to be a real problem. This is not anything hypothetical. What do you see as the problem at Hostos that needs to be addressed? Then the second part, okay, you're going to type an email in a Word document, okay, to Dean Johanna Gomez. Her email address is here, about the problem you typed in wiki number 7, and present possible solutions to that problem. All right, so you're going to type a real email, okay, as to what you see as the problem and offering solutions. Type the email according to the format that's located in Appendix A on page A1 of your textbook. Now, make sure that you're using the correct format on Appendix A1. Do not type the email that's there. You're typing an email to Dean Johanna Gomez at jgomez@hostos.cuny.edu about the problem you typed in wiki number 7. It's wiki number 7. I'll change that. All right. So there are 2 parts. Number 1, you're going to read. Okay. You're going to read. I'm sorry. 5.5 on pages 183 and 184 in your textbook. And then after you read that, what problem at Hostos Community College do you want to address in wiki number 7, all right, that you want to see corrected? Just state the problem, okay? I don't want to hear I think. I don't want to hear I believe. I don't want to hear I trust. The problem at Hostos Community College that must be addressed is the cafeteria, the library, longer library hours, longer computers, or whatever the problem that you see. But I don't want to hear I think, in my opinion, and all of this nonsense. Okay? Then the second part, what you typed in wiki number 7, and forget the wiki number 8 because I'm going to change that. Okay? You're going to type the email to Dean Johanna Gomez expressing the problem, what you see as the problem, and how the problem should be resolved. All right? And for your model, how are you going to type an email? Go on to page A1 in the appendix of your textbook. And of course, this is due next week. All right? So you really have a much easier, I've given you all of those other preparations to see what your writing is like, how you see yourself and the skills that you possess. Because if you see yourself as negative, everything else is going to be negative. And don't forget, your e-portfolio is due next week, the first draft of your e-portfolio. Remember, if you have already created an e-portfolio, just update it. Don't create a new one. If you did an e-portfolio in another class, not even related to business, just update it. Okay? And of course, you have your reading assignment, chapter 6, and the quiz, so that you make sure you understand the chapter. So any questions, obviously, post in Q&A, or if you feel more comfortable texting me, fine. Okay, folks? Thanks. Bye-bye.